Why?
Do you want a wing?
A what?
Oh, actually, let's do it with the... We won't do liquid.
Hey guys. Welcome back to my mom's channel. Today, she's going to transform me into her. And so I'm really excited. And I need her typical bun. She wears it every day in her videos. Without me, how could she? I'm sorry. Sorry, Mom.
Okay.
Let's get started.
So,
let's get it started.
First, we're gonna start with the Glow Maximizer Dior Primer.
I'm turning it to her, so we need it.
Just a little dab like that.
It took us forever to find my color. Sorry.
Okay. So, because me and Mrs. Tatiana here
have different skin colors.
We have different skin tones.
Yes.
I don't really have foundation that matches her, so the closest color I found is the NARS Velvet Matte Skin Tint in Annapurna. It's
not Annapurna.
Kind of dark, but not the darkest, but we're going to blend it out and hopefully it'll work.
Hopefully. If it does, we'll be extremely happy. If it doesn't, we'll be so sad. My mother is not saying anything. Don't touch my eye one more time. Sorry. We're going up and down like how Jack went up and down the beanstalk. Up and down, just like Jack on the beanstalk in the story. This is fun. Yay.
We're going to put some
Fit Me
setting powder. Oh yeah, this is the
Fit Me
Maybelline Fit Me setting
I said
powder.
it 100 times.
We're going to just put, close your eye.
Both?
No.
Or you gave me that mermaid look?
I don't know. Okay, just sit back and enjoy. Okay? So now, I think Tatiana's eyebrows are pretty good. We're just going to use some Benefit Give Me Brow. It's so funny.
I'm losing my perfect face. A booty. Do you have to have your lip color right now?
What?
Do you have to have your lip color?
No.
Okay. Because we have the same lip color.
So, for her eye look, we're going to use the Violet Voss hashtag palette.
It looks beautiful.
It looks like this.
I
Really
see
pretty, shimmery, warm shades. So the first color we're going to take is Goat. Or don't squint.
I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
Me being you!
Oh gosh.
I have to be a different person for a day. I'd be a different person for the night. I eat so
Don't squint.
I eat so much.
Gently close your eye.
I eat so much. Now I have to eat so much.
So
Can't have camera problems.
we're going to go in this shade right here called Goals, which is a nice bright orange. Thank you, Tatiana.
Tatiana will point everything out.
Close. Gently. Thank you.
I'm missing Goldbergs. I feel so angry.
You what? Oh, Goldsbergs?
If you don't
What's
know
it called?
If you don't know what Goldbergs
Look at mommy.
are, it's the best TV show on TV.
Is it funny?
It's really funny and I love it.
Alright, so now we're going to cut the crease a little bit.
I don't get what she's saying, but let's do it. That looks exactly like her color. I'm just so excited.
So I'm just gonna take a little concealer on a flat round brush.
And it's tart.
Close your eyes. Gently. Get it out. Are you done?
Alrighty.
Look at me. Close your eye. Okay, let's do the other side. Gently.
I'm sorry. Okay. Done.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay, close your eye.
Do I just close this eye? Okay. Do I get lipstick?
Alright. Now we're gonna take the shade called FOMO and we're gonna put that on the crease that we cut.
The cut crease.
Hold this.
Yes, I get to see all the colors.
Okay, close your eye. You buy them?
No.
Oh.
It's because we already checked out, so we couldn't buy them.
Oh, they're so pretty though. Did you really like them?
Yeah, there's flowers from the fairy world.
Mm-hmm.
What if the fairy world does exist?
Maybe.
Kids, believe in your dreams.
Close gently.
Always believe in your dreams.
That's a good thing to tell kids.
This is a kids and girl and makeup guru's channel.
Am I a makeup guru?
Yep.
Okay, that's it. All of the YouTube shut down your channel.
What?
I am the makeup guru of the world.
How dare you?
Look at me.
I hope a famous YouTuber sees this like Lily.
Aww.
If Lily sees this, I'll be happy.
Okay.
Lily sings.
Close your eyes.
Superwoman.
Close your eye. Why do you squint so hard?
Oh no. I just like that squint.
Okay, so I'm gonna
TBT.
take TBT right here and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. Look at me.
It don't matter to me.
Close.
It don't matter. It don't matter to me. It don't matter to say. Maybe one day you can go on tour.
Who?
You.
On tour for what?
Yeah. A boss will just like pound right into our.
But what am I gonna do on tour?
Sing.
But I don't know how to sing.
Do makeup on people. You don't know how to sing. You sing in the car.
Yeah, but that's just when it's just us. You think I'm a good singer?
Sing at the top of your lungs.
Okay, wait. Do you think I'm a good singer?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
I'm going on tour. That's it.
But then you have
Okay,
to like,
we're
go to
gonna
different
use.
countries.
We're gonna use.
Purple.
We're gonna use this low key and maybe a little bit of living to blend this and this together. Or maybe I'll use this one.
Yeah.
Just a little.
We love Fit Me. And other companies.
Oh.
We love makeup.
Gently. Thank you.
I'm just thinking of purple.
Oh, this is pretty too.
I'm just thinking of the color purple.
Are you?
I love that color.
I know.
What about you? I
Really?
see you love yellow.
Why? Because I'm wearing a yellow shirt?
Just saying. Is that in the secret contents? Hmm? Ow, ow.
Look at me.
It hurts when you dab it on my eyelids.
I'm sorry. Close your eye. Alright.
Whoa!
Now.
I have so much eyeshadow on top of eyeshadow on
Look
top
at me.
of eyeshadow.
Let's brush this
Oh
away.
my goodness. This brush smells like foundation.
Oops.
Smells like nothing, actually. I can smell it. Why?
Do you want a wing?
Oh, what?
Oh, actually, let's do it with the. We won't do liquid. We'll do.
Okay,
black.
I don't want beauty gurus. What's a wing? Oh, I knew what you were talking about. But no.
ILY and smoke out the top lash line.
Lily, it's... I don't really see it.
You don't?
No.
Oh crap.
No. We are beauty gurus. We tend to make no mistakes. Just edit that part out.
Let me see.
Looks like a wing.
I messed it up. Ugh.
Why can't we just use the wing liner?
Because I don't want to use the liquid on you.
Oh. Why? I'll be so happy.
Because it's, you know.
I'll be happy as a soy latte. Kids, you are beautiful just the way you are, and you need, and friends need you. And your friends are awesome.
Look at me.
Just like your parents.
Look at me. What are you giving life lessons now?
Sure.
I need to clean up this edge. Look at me.
Ah! To the left, to the left. Oh, I have a wing!
Close. We're taking this life purple shade here. I'm going to put that on her lower lash line.
Lower lash line. Rah!
Okay, I want you to look up. Look up. Don't close your eye.
Don't get it in my...
See
How do
what
I
I'm
look,
saying?
ladies and gentlemen?
Look up. Look up.
Sorry if I'm blinking.
It's okay.
I know. I should be the star of the channel now.
For sure.
For sure.
Okay, we're going to go in with Lash Paradise Mascara.
Snarl. Yeah, you have longer lids than me.
Look up. Keep your eye open.
I don't know how Lisa does this, how you do it. It's just ridiculous. Women are good at makeup. Kids are not.
Well, it's not meant for kids. Okay, look down. Put your head down a bit. Look up.
So I put my head down, but I look up.
Yeah.
Aww.
We're going to put some highlight on. We're not going to contour because
No
we don't
highlighter.
have the right shade to contact this little child. Sit back.
I'm a little child.
Oh.
I can't breathe. Just all over the face. You can
So
never
we're going
go on.
to use... Oh my god. We're going to use the Born to Glow by NYX in the shade
You
Break the Rhythm.
Let's break this rhythm of the song.
Yeah, let's.
Yeah, let's. That's what she said.
It's so funny.
I want to be the fish I am.
Turn. Oh, get into this glow. Look at me.
How pretty. I feel like a princess.
Okay.
I feel like Jessica. I feel like Jessica, the girl who comes home late.
Jessica, the girl who comes.
Just saying.
What?
that I've been in. I've been in 2 videos, I think. How many?
2 or 3.
Yeah, I think 2. I think 2 and this is my 3rd.
Do you think 2 and this is your 3rd?
Yeah. So when this is uploaded, I'll have 3.
Kiki, do you love me?
She's been singing that the entire day. Since this morning.
We're gonna use the L'Oreal lipstick in Liberation.
It's my favorite color.
I don't know.
I even swatched it before. Are you even allowed in Makeup Society? Are you even allowed to put
In Makeup
lipstick on a brush?
Yeah, in Makeup Society.
I made it myself. It looks really beautiful. It's my favorite color. Oh my god. Guys, I'm scared.
Smile. No, you need to open your mouth.
Oh, sorry. Let me show Daddy.
This is a little patchy.
Mean.
The color. Seriously, I'm
Sorry.
putting lipstick on you. Let's see. Ooh. I can't even focus. I don't know. I'm not a good photographer.
Of course. How sad.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say subscribe to my mom's channel.
Subscribe to my mom's channel.
And follow her on Instagram.
Follow her on Instagram.